Before sunrise on June 28, 2005, 4 U.S. Navy SEALs were dropped deep into the mountains of eastern Afghanistan. Their mission sounded simple on paper: locate a high-value Taliban leader and report his movements. But within hours, everything would go wrong. The operation was called Red Wings. The team: Lieutenant Michael Murphy, Petty Officer Danny Dietz, Petty Officer Matthew Axelson, and Hospital Corpsman Marcus Luttrell, was inserted into the rugged Hindu Kush mountains near the Pakistan border. The terrain was brutal: steep cliffs, thick forest, and narrow valleys that swallowed radio signals. Their objective was Ahmad Shah, a Taliban commander believed to be organizing attacks against U.S. forces. The SEALs moved silently through the mountains, setting up an observation position high above the valley. Hidden in the trees, they began watching for their target. But then something unexpected happened. 3 Afghan goat herders suddenly appeared near their position. The SEALs faced a decision that would define the mission. The men were unarmed villagers, but if they were released, they could alert Taliban fighters nearby. If they detained them, it could violate the rules of engagement. For several tense minutes, the team debated. Finally, they made the call to let the herders go. It was a decision based on honor, but it would soon cost them everything. About 90 minutes later, the mountains erupted with gunfire. Dozens of Taliban fighters poured down the slopes toward the SEAL position. The 4 Americans were suddenly outnumbered and trapped on steep terrain that gave them almost no cover. The battle became chaos. Bullets tore through trees and shattered rocks around them. The SEALs fought from position to position, sliding down the mountain as they returned fire. Radio signals struggled to reach command. They desperately needed help. Petty Officer Danny Dietz attempted to transmit their location, but during the firefight, he was shot. Still, he kept trying to call for support. One by one, the team was forced further down the mountainside. Petty Officer Matthew Axelson continued firing despite serious wounds. Marcus Luttrell later described the battle as waves of fighters coming from every direction. And then, Lieutenant Michael Murphy made a decision that would become one of the most famous acts of bravery in modern military history. The radio couldn't get a signal under the trees, so Murphy stood up. In the open, fully exposed to enemy fire. He stepped into a clearing on the mountainside and raised the satellite phone to call for help. Calmly, he relayed their location to headquarters. He knew exactly what standing there meant. Seconds later, he was shot, but the call went through. A quick reaction force of U.S. Army and Navy personnel immediately launched a rescue mission from a nearby base. A helicopter carrying 8 Navy SEALs and 8 Army Night Stalkers rushed toward the mountains. But as the helicopter approached the landing zone, Taliban fighters hidden on the ridges fired a rocket-propelled grenade. It struck the aircraft. The helicopter exploded and crashed into the mountainside. All 16 men on board were killed instantly. It was the deadliest single loss of U.S. Special Operations Forces in Afghanistan. Back on the mountain, the original 4-man team was still fighting. One by one, they fell. Danny Dietz, Matthew Axelson, Michael Murphy. Only Marcus Luttrell remained. Severely wounded, Luttrell rolled down the mountainside and managed to hide among rocks and trees. Taliban fighters searched the area for hours, but Luttrell was eventually discovered by local Afghan villagers. Instead of turning him over, they protected him under an ancient tribal code called Pashtunwali, a tradition that demands protection for those seeking refuge. For days, the villagers risked their own lives hiding him from Taliban forces. Eventually, one of the villagers walked miles through dangerous territory to contact U.S. Marines. A rescue team arrived shortly after. Marcus Luttrell was the only survivor of the original 4-man SEAL team. Operation Red Wings ended as one of the most devastating missions of the war in Afghanistan. 19 American servicemen lost their lives, but the courage displayed on that mountain would be remembered across the military. Lieutenant Michael Murphy was posthumously awarded the Medal of Honor for his actions. His decision to step into the open, knowing it would likely cost his life, ensured that their story would never disappear into the mountains where the mission began. Because sometimes the bravest act in war is not surviving the battle. It is choosing to stand up anyway.